You have got to be kidding me.
Little puppy! Come here. No! Outside!
Agent 127 breaking radio silence. I have spotted Kitty Galore.
Your mission will be revealed at HQ. This square will self-destruct, but first, a little dance.
Next summer. How you doing, Big Shot?
Fine, good. No, not good. Yeah, I'm gonna barf.
To take on a new breed of evil.
I will enslave all mankind!
Someone's having a bad hair day.
Two sworn enemies will have to do the unthinkable.
Cats and dogs will have to work together.
Am I the only one who thinks this is a bad idea?
From Warner Brothers Pictures.
Oh, yeah.
I can't find my dog. Have you seen him anywhere?
I love being a spy dog.
This is historic. 3 species putting aside our differences to solve a mystery.
Real professional.
What? I slipped.
I don't know anything, I tell you. My brain is the size of a grape or a raisin. Either a big raisin or a little grape.
Oh, boy.
Kitty, I'm home.
Is it true there's a spot on your tummy, and if I tickle it, your foot will shave?
Nah, that's just a myth. Oh boy, that's it.
Cats and Dogs. The Revenge of Kitty Galore.
Awesome.
What's up with these guys?
Hopped up on catnip.
Dude, I saw it blink.
Unleashed in 3D. Next summer.
I feel like we're on a quest to start a new life. Go ahead. Ask him, what's your name in Chinese?
Dude, I'm from Detroit.
Welcome to Beijing. Gonna do something? I just want to go home. This is home. I thought you were just a maintenance man.
The only way to stop them is to face them. I will teach you real kung fu. Hand up your jacket. Take it down. Put it on. Take it off.
I already did.
Jacket off. Kung fu lives in how we put on the jacket. Be strong. Take off the jacket. It lives in how we treat people. Everything is kung fu. Check it out! Connect to the energy around you.
I get it. You're Yoda and I'm like a Jedi. Oh my God.
Your focus needs more focus. Strike! Harder! Harder!
I don't want to be scared anymore.
Life will knock us down, but we can choose to get back up. Remember, always strong.
That's nasty.
I'm Marmaduke. You might be wondering why I'm on lockdown. Well, it's not because of this. Marmaduke! Or this. Ah, jeez!
Marmaduke!
Or even this.
Marmaduke, no!
Oops. No, it's because my stepbro Carlos and I are being shipped air freight.
Hey, let me out of here. I'm not an animal. Oh, yeah, I am. California.
That's right, we're moving to the OC. Oh man, is life gonna change. New house, new smells, and the nicest bathroom I've ever had. Speaking of which, little privacy, please. California. Out here, the dog park is like high school for dogs. You've got your jocks and your cheerleaders.
Oh, Frisbee!
Your drama geeks. Bang, bang!
I've been dispersed so long I can't feel my legs.
And your bullies, the pedigrees.
Check out those ears. Can you fly with those things or what?
Do you think my ears are too big?
Those things are huge. Do friends fly free?
Listen, big guy, I need you to be a good boy. I need to impress my new boss.
I don't know what Phil's worried about.
Oh, are you okay? Yeah, it's a lot more than that.
Oh.
Owen Wilson is Marmaduke.
Time to bring my A game. Somebody get me off this thing!
George Lopez is Carlos.
If we weren't related, I'd scratch both your eyes out.
Oh, really? This conversation is over. Ejector seat never fails.
With Fergie.
There's a new dog in town, and his name is Marmaduke.
My bad. I slipped off the seat.
And Kiefer Sutherland.
Being a pedigree means you're exceptional. Ferdinand is fluent in 6 languages, including Gopher.
Marmaduke.
What I like about you, you really know how to dance. Hey, 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 hey. Hey.
Andy's going to college. Can you believe it? What are you going to do with these old toys?
Okay, calm down, guys. Let's just keep this in perspective.
Where's she taking us?
I should have seen this coming.
We'll be fine, Jesse.
Oh, I hate all this uncertainty. New toys!
Buzz Lightyear, at your service.
Welcome to Sunnyside, folks. You'll find being donated was the best thing that ever happened to you.
May I? Ooh!
Who's Velocistar 237?
Oh, that's just a dinosaur toy down the street. That's nothing. Let me just take care of that. Just a dinosaur.
Ken, we got guests.
So, who's ready for Ken's dream tour?
Let's show our new friends where they'll be staying.
Folks, if you want to step right this way. Hi, I'm Ken.
Barbie.
Love your leg warmers.
Nice ass cut. We can have a whole new life here, Woody.
We're Andy's toys.
Hey, what do you guys think of the new recruits? Any keepers?
Outplays.
That space guy, he could be useful.
Oh, I want to get played with.
Rex?
They just love new toys now, don't they?
Oh, it was cold and dark. Nothing but sand and a couple of Lincoln logs.
I don't think those were Lincoln logs. You got a play date with destiny.
He's looking for us. Andy's looking for us.
Listen up. We're busting out of here.
Woody's no ordinary toy. He's brave.
We gotta get you home before Andy leaves tomorrow.
But the thing that makes Woody special is he'll never give up on you. Ever.
Hello?
You and your friends ain't ever getting out of here.
And what's important now is we stay together.
I'll never make it!
Where's Potato Head? You would not believe what I've been through tonight.
What do you mean by that? Well, I don't know what did I mean? Please don't spoil the movie by adding your own soundtrack.